So in this video I am going to solve KCT 2016 mathematics paper part 6 from question number 51 to 60. So let us move on to the first question. This question based on the chapter probability belongs to the first year. Let us see the question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of obtaining a total score is 5. Okay, so this is repeated question. They has this question in KCT 2014, same question. So usually we have to find out the probability. In this case easy method. Required probability is equal to required probability is equal to favorable case divided by total case. So in this case we have to find out total case using this method. So 1 2 3, first die result 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total score becomes 5, nothing but 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. So 4 favorable case. So total case 6 6 is 36. Here in this case favorable case 4 divided by 36, 1 divided by 9 is the good answer. Option C is correct. So therefore option C is the good answer. So this is easy question. All the students attend this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 52. This question based on the chapter matrices, particularly algebra on matrices. So here in this case A is given. Find the A plus A transpose is equal to I, where I is the 2 cross 2 identity matrix, A transpose is the transpose of A. Then we have to find out the value of A. This question also based on the chapter trigonometry because cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta is there in this case. So let us take given condition first. What is the given condition in this case? A plus A transpose is equal to identity. A is what? Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. A transpose nothing but cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Just interchange rows and columns in this case. Cos 2 theta is equal to identity matrix 2 cross 2 identity 1 0 0 1. So here we take only first row first elements. So here middle my plus is there. So plus it becomes cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to 1. So 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 can be written as in terms of cos nothing but 60 degree. Cos 60 degree nothing but cos pi by 3. Now it becomes 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 6. Therefore option in this case pi by 6, option A is good answer. Option A is correct. So easy question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Okay, so take the So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 53. This question once again based on the chapter matrices. Usually there has 2 or 3 question on this chapter in KCT. Let us take in this case second question. This question also particularly based on algebra on matrices. So here multiplication is there and subtraction is there, and also matrix multiplied by scalar. So easy question. We have to find out easily answer of this question. So here A is given. First we have to find out A square. A square is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2. This becomes 3 3 is a 9 minus 1 8, 3 plus 2 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Next minus 1 plus 4 3. minus 1 plus 4 3. So 8 5 minus 5 3 is the a square. So now we have to find out a square minus 5a. In this case a square is what? 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5 into a, nothing but a multiplied by 5. All the elements in this case multiply by 5. 15 5 minus 5 plus 10. So it becomes minus 7. 8 minus 15 0 0 again minus 7. So in this case we take outside minus 7 is the common term, remaining 1 0 0 1. This becomes minus 7 identity matrix I. Minus 7 is the good answer. Option D is correct. Therefore option D is correct. So easy problem. All the students attend this question because already solved this type of questions in NCERT textbook easily. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 54. So this question based on the chapter vector. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter vector, okay, in KCET. So here in this case we have to find out the value of x using the condition this is unit vector. This vector is what? Unit vector. So let us take as a, this is a, vector a is equal to, so here vector multiplied by scalar nothing but x I cap plus x j cap plus x k cap. So one more condition is given, vector a is equal to 1 because unit vector it is given. So using this condition we have to find out the x value. Magnitude of a nothing but what? Square root of the sum of the squares of the scalar components of the vector. So it becomes square root of x square plus scalar components x square x square x square. So in this case x square plus x square plus x square is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides it becomes 3x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. So this is easy problem. So answer x is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. Option A is good answer. Therefore option A is correct. So this is easy question. All the students attend this question easily. Okay, they has this type of question in theory exam also. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 55. This question based on the chapter circle particularly, but conic section, based on the chapter conic section, in particularly circle. So in this case x is given, circle in the form of parametric form is given, x and y is given. X is equal to 2 plus 3 cos theta and y is equal to 1 minus 3 sin theta represent a circle parametric form in. Then the center and radius, we have to find out the center and radius. So using this parametric equation of circle convert into general form nothing but what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and then compare the equations, we get the answer center and radius. Okay, so now let us take x and y. In this case x take as x minus 2, plus 2 move towards left hand side, it becomes x minus 2 is equal to 3 cos theta. Our convenient we can write this can be written as this type, and this is called equation 1, and this can be written as y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 sin theta. This is called 2. So using 1 and 2 we convert this parametric equation into general form. Okay, so in this case square and add all these terms, square and add x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. From equation 1 and 2 it can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to what? 3 square cos square theta. So here also 3 square become take outside common plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, it becomes x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 square. So this equation compare with the general form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. When we compare these two equation, we get the radius and center. So in the place of h, so h comma k is the center, this is center, is equal to 2 comma 1 and radius r is equal to 3. So 2 comma 1 3, option B is the good answer. So therefore option B is correct. So this is moderate problem, so most of the student attend this question easily. This type of question they ask in JEE also. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 56. This question based on the chapter 3D. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter in Kcet. Let us take in this case first question, the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance 3 divided by square root of 14, this is D. Okay, from the origin and the normal from the origin is also given, this is normal n. So using these two conditions we have to find out the equation of plane in vector form, okay. So easily we can find out. So we know that general form of equation is normal nothing but in normal general r dot n is equal to d. So r as it is, so here n is what, 2i minus 3j plus k cap is equal to d3. So this is the required answer. So option A is good answer in this case. Therefore option A is correct. Option A is correct. This is easy problem. All the students attend this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 57. This question also depends on the chapter, based on the chapter 3D. In this case we have to find out the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Easy, we can find out this answer of this question. So one plane is there, so this is given 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. Draw the perpendicular line from origin to the plane. So this is origin to the plane. So this is the foot. We have to find out this foot. So foots are there in this case. Option A, whatever it may be, option A is correct or B is correct or C is correct or D is correct. So here we can see this figure. Foot lies on the plane. Okay, so foot is lies on the plane, nothing but foot satisfies the plane equation. So in this case which option satisfies the plane equation? That is the correct answer. So option D is the good answer in this case. So substitute option D. 5 minus 8 by 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. 5 cancel, minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So option D is the good answer. So in this case, so option D is the correct. So option A does not satisfy this equation. B is also same, C is also same. Okay, so good answer is option D. So in this case I am not solving this problem as usual method, but I am solving this problem by inspection method. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 58. This question based on the chapter vector. So usually they ask 4 to 5 question on this chapter in Kcet. Let us take in this case first question. So if cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines. So we know that a formula on the basis of direction cosines, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So using this condition we have to find out the values of cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma, using also trigonometry formulas in this case. So So let us take the given condition. What is the given condition in this case? Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equal to, cos 2 alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha minus 1, 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. So in this case 2 is the common term, take outside, it becomes cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. So remaining minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. So this value becomes 1. Substitute cos square alpha plus cos square beta cos square gamma is equal to 1. 2 into 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1 is the good answer. So option C is correct. Therefore option C is the good answer. So this is average problem. All the students attend this question easily because they have already solved this question in NCERT textbook. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 59. This question based on the chapter trigonometry. Usually they ask 1 or 2 question on this chapter in Kcet. So let us take in this case second question in question. Let us see the question. We have to find out the value of sin 1 degree plus sin 2 degree so on up to sin 359 degree. So easily we can solve this question in this way. Sin of 1 degree plus sin of 2 degree so on up to here sin of 180 degree is also there. So on up to, so last before that the term becomes sin of 350, sin of 358 degree, last one is sin of 359 degree. Using allied angle formula we have to find out the value of this term. Okay, so first one sin 1 degree as it is, second one sin 2 degree as it is, so on up to sin 180 degree is also as it is. Next term becomes minus using allied angle formula. So this can be written as without loss of generality sin of 360 minus 2 degree plus sin of 360 minus 1 degree without loss of generality. Now this can be written as 1 degree, first 2 terms as it is, up to 180 degree as it is, sin 180 degree. So next terms are minus, we get minus terms. Sin 360 minus 2 nothing but it is present in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant sin is negative. 360 minus theta sin theta. Sin theta nothing but sin 2 degree. Similarly sin 1 degree. So except the term sin 180 degree, in this case all are cancel each other. So sin 1 degree, sin 1 degree, sin 2 degree, sin 2 degree, all are cancel each other, only remaining sin 180 degree. In this case sin 180 degree, sin n pi is always 0, sin n pi always 0. Using this formula sin 180 is also 0. So option A is good answer. So value of this term becomes 0. Therefore option A is correct. Okay, so this is easy question. Most of the students attend this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 60. This is the last question of this video and also the last question of 2016 paper. So now let us see the question. This question based on the chapter differential equation, particularly find the integrating factor I of integrating factor of the differential equation. So solve the differential equation by using first order first degree linear differential equation type problem. This is, in this case we have to find out the integrating factor. Half of the problem is half of the problem is there in this case. Okay, so now take given condition x into dy by dx minus y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 3x. Now it convert into general equation of differential form, this form, in this form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the form. Using this form we have to find out the integrating factor. Okay, so now divided by x on both sides, it becomes dy by dx minus plus of minus 1 by x into y is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 3. So now it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here p is, when we compare these two equation, p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to x cube minus 3. So now we have to find out integrating factor by using the formula. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power of p with respect to x. So differential equation is in the form, integrating factor is in the form e to the power of integration of p into dx. So e to the power of p minus 1 by x dx. Now integrate this becomes minus log of x. So minus log of x can be written as e power log x power minus 1 using logarithmic properties. So once again using the formula, e power log f of x can be written as f of x. So this can be written as x inverse. Integrating factor nothing but what? X inverse. X to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by x is the good answer. So option C is correct. Therefore option C is correct. So this is easy question. All the students attend this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Okay, so take down.